Last week we spent 5 days on the Royal Harmony of the Seas all the way to the Bahamas, and there was one question left unasked. Matt, what was the room like? Well, in today's video I want to show you exactly what we paid for the cheapest room on the ship and whether or not it's worth the price. Alright, so this is the cabin. I'm going to show you around. It is a lot bigger than my piano cabin I had a few years back, and it's very nice. So I'm going to give it a tour. So please excuse the room has just been made up, which is fantastic, but there's obviously bits around from where we've been staying. But let's go around the room because it is nice. One thing I like is the air conditioning, because while it's very hot outside, it's also very nice to have a nice cool room when you come in, and it's very easily, you just turn the adapter. Happy days, very simple. The bathroom, I'll show you that, but it's a lot bigger than you think it's going to be. So let's start here, shall we? This is the mirror, obviously. Vanity metrics, do your hair, do your nails, do whatever you want to do in front of this bad boy, get changed. There is another mirror over there, so you get full frontal in terms of everything, so you look the part. Obviously a chair just about here, and you think this is a cupboard. It's not, it's a chair. It's a very cool looking chair, to be honest with you. Well, that's some maximal level lumbar support there, right? Just like leaning over the bloody thing, but it's comfortable. Now I think this is a pull-out bed. Could be wrong, but it does look like a pull-out bed. This is the one we're using. This is obviously a sofa, I'm guessing. I've just lifted the cushions. This is generally a nice big sofa, or a change lounge. Is that what they call them? Could be completely wrong. I don't even know what that is, but I guess a change lounge or something like that. Please correct me. I sound like an idiot. But yeah, here we go. Got some lovely pictures on the wall. Got a guy chilling. That looks like maybe Croatia. Could be wrong. Could be Bali. This and a pier. So nice, relaxing vibes I get. But then opposite the sofa, you have a big TV, which is fairly large. And the good thing about this TV, the remote is super clean, but also you get all the information you need on board as well. So just go ahead and save the information. You've got live TV, you've got video on demand, ship information, always helpful as well. So you get to see where you are currently traveling. You also get to see events and activities and everything else, which is sick. But yeah, nice little shelf in top, and then very pristine drawers with breakfast menu and what's on offer. Simply tick, leave outside the door, happy days, get some breakfast first thing in the morning. But yeah, these cupboards are very clean. Everything, like I said, is pristine. They do a fantastic job here. You really can't complain. But there's loads of storage. There's everything you need. You've got some tissues here as well. And then you have a mini fridge, which is nice. So you've got a bottle of wine in there, and that is literally it. Do you like white wine or red wine? I like red wine. I don't like white. Don't know why. I think it's just the taste of me. White wine tastes more like champagne. I'm not a fan of champagne. That's probably why. And then next to the sofa, you have, which I have to say is very comfortable, you have storage. Now, forgive me, this is my terrible organisation on storage, but here we are. We have crumpled up clothes there, section for I think chinos, shorts, trousers. Don't know why I brought them, it's so bloody hot. And then some shirts, again crumpled up. I need to make a better job of that. And then some more storage there, and then some more storage here. So there's plenty of storage, and of course you've got a safe. I don't know the code for that, haven't been able to close it yet. So there is the mirror, guys. Massive from top to bottom. It's not even in an awkward place as well. You can literally see what you're wearing, which is good. And this is me wearing chinos. Like I said, not wearing chinos, but this is me wearing chinos cooking to death. Also, if you like this video, like and subscribe helps me out more than you know. Little shout out, and of course I will be getting these bad boys online soon. This is my own little hat brand I'm going to create. It's basically about mental health and everything else. So yeah, anyway, that's one thing. So the bed, I have to say, is the most comfortable bed I have ever slept in my life. It is so comfortable. It should be illegal. Oh my god. What's more amazing is the duvet. I've never felt anything like it. It's not hot, it's nice and cool. The material, I can't explain it other than it's like a warm hug. I don't know if that's a weird way of saying things, but it is lovely, like so nice. You just sleep really well. And because there's no windows, as you can see, it's just a cabin room, there's no windows. It's proper blackout, it's pitch black. So yeah, no light or anything. the staff here do a fantastic job on everything. Like, it's just pristine, so, you know, 5 stars for me. We do have these nice lamps next to the bed, you know, and plug sockets as well, so you want to charge your phone, that's a main light. And then you've got little ones here for the lamp, it's very bright. And then 2 pillows, which are very, very nice, again, very comfortable. Headrest, a nice little painting on top, canvas painting, and happy days. So yes, the bathroom, let's go and check that out, because the bathroom's pretty cool. Almost forgot, this is obviously more storage here. You know, you can put your hangers and stuff, put your suitcase down the bottom, so plenty of room there. So the bathroom, let's go and check this one out. This is very nice and very big, like I said. So just open the door, pop on the light, happy days. Now, this is so much better than motels I've stayed in, but here we go. First off, nice big mirror, that's all you need. It's again pristine clean. They come in and they clean everything, and I mean everything. Like the tap is clean, like you can see that, it's good. They even like position the soap nicely. Give you brand new hand towels, more towels, some more hand towels. They'd obviously don't give you the deodorant, it'd be amazing if they did, but yeah. Storage for toothpastes. And this really big shower, and I mean it's big, like you can just open the door outwards like this. No bag, I'm not wearing any shoes, so it's fine. But yeah, this is a large shower. You can just shut the door, plenty of room, use star jumps in there. As someone would say, you could probably put about 6 people in it, and it'd be very cramped, and also very not pleasant. And also, get out, this is my shower. And yeah, my swim shorts from the other day, which dried off almost instantly, got the slides, fantastic stuff, and obviously fresh towels. And honestly, that is everything about the room. It's the basic room. You can get obviously the suites and the balconies, and then if you've got mega money, they've got the apartments or something. They're about $80,000 or something. They got like slides in the room, but then I don't know why you would want to spend that money when the slides already on the the deck. But each to their own. It's all good. Now, the room here I think is lovely for the price of the total ship. I can't actually give you a price of the room. Maybe I can, but I don't really know what it would be. It's really good. Value for money is fantastic. The place is comfortable. It's really cool. It seems like soundproof walls. I don't know, but they are quite hollow when you tap on them. But not bad at all. If you are just looking for a cruise and a cabin just to chill, sleep, get ready and whatnot, and then leave, you don't really need much else. But if you do want to have a view, you want to chill in your room more than you do outside, then obviously a balcony might be good. My mum will love a balcony, but yeah, I don't mind, because I spend most of my time out of the room. That is it. The ship is there to explore, not to sit in. So there we are. I personally think this is a good room, and very happy with it. So I'm about to go out and pick my face with more pizza and see what options they got today. Yesterday was chicken pesto, which was fantastic, with rosemary, so holy mother, it was lovely. Anyway guys, if you like that video, like and subscribe for more. Leave a comment if you've been here before, or leave a comment if you prefer another room. Be very happy to be very interested to hear more about. I'll be very interested to hear it all. Take care, and I'll see you on the next video, which I think would be Coco Bay. Nice one, check out. See you later.